I can't get over this. You gotta see this. My son fell asleep like this. I thought he was awake. And when you're from back here pushing the shopping cart, he sat like that and then he fell asleep. Look at him. Say cheese. Well, I'm sitting at Costco. Regular gas $1.09.9, and then the other one is premium is $1.21.9. Here at Costco, south side of Edmonton. We are on our way to Canmore and then to Banff. Spend Christmas there in Banff, Canmore, Lake Louise. So it is 11 a.m. We've got everything all ready. All our camera gears, all our other stuff that we need. So, you ready, Aiden? Are you ready, Aiden? You ready? Oh, you're already zoomed into your movie. He's watching a movie. Anyways, we're off to Banff for Christmas. Come join us. Well, we are here in Cross Iron, near Cross Iron Mill Mall, which is right over here on the other side of this big building here. And we're going to continue on here. I just got to go get some more fuel at Costco and then continue on to Canmore, which is about an hour, just a little over an hour away from here. According to the GPS, hour and 20 minutes or so. So, yeah. Anyways. Well, we are now here in Canmore, and it was a long trip, as you can tell from what we showed you guys. Snow blizzard for the first, from 11:30 right up till 4 o'clock. We got in Calgary. Roads were not bad, but They were really crowded, a lot of people on them, and we had to be very, very careful. And there was a few detours because there's some major fatality accidents. So it is what it is. We did what we could do, and we got here safe. And we're just browsing around in the grocery store, killing time, and head back to our hotel room, and then head off to Banff. A new day. Merry Christmas. We're just in Canmore here. I can't get over this. You gotta see this. My son fell asleep like this. I thought he was awake. And when you're from back here pushing the shopping cart, he sat like that and then he fell asleep. Look at him. Say cheese. Aw, little baby boy is asleep. He's tired. Yeah, he's still asleep. He's overtired. So, anyways, we're shopping. We got ourselves Canadian dry ginger ale, which, by the way, has real ginger in it, and cranberry. That's a very festive type of drink, non-alcoholic, of course. And yeah, so Merry Christmas. Yeah, we videotaped him. He just fell asleep. Look at this guy, still sleeping here. We got some pretty cool stuff here. It's a really cool grocery store. Just gotta love this kind of cheese. This kind here. It's really, really good cheese. Really, really good cheese. They got smoked, different type of smoked cheese. What do you call it? There's so many different kinds of smoked cheese, it's not funny. They got spicy cheese, they got dill flavored cheese. They even have some with blue cheese in it. It's like really cool. What's this? Are you kidding me? Ginger ale. Candy cane sugar. That's not the real candy cane sugar. Oh yeah, he's out. Every time I see Filipino or Filipina, I'll always come up to them. Kamusta po? So Maligayang Pasko sa lahat. Well, we're here at the Mountain Ski Lodge here in Canmore, and I just went in to take a look. I'm going to show you guys what we got in here. Take a look at this. Got a nice fireplace, balcony, well not a balcony, but sliding glass door. You get a view of the mountains. It's small, it's not bad. It's just the three of us. Bedroom. Well, the light turns on slowly, and yeah, that's not bad. Shower. We have a nice fireplace. Gas fireplace, which is really, really nice. TV up there, which is really cool. Plugins down there and all that stuff. Microwave. Really cool.